Could you tell us some of the free things that we could expect when we purchase an RV here at Wade's RV?
So 4th of July sale, everything's free. For the most part.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do a free battery. We're going to do free propane, free fuel for the motorized units. We've got the free starter kit. We've got the free RV training session that they're going to get with one of my techs over here on one of our show out pads, and going to get to see that all their stuff works and that everything's as perfect as it could be the day they come in to pick it up.
And some things that we cannot showcase that you're going to get free, like we do a full inspection, whether that's a brand new unit or a used unit, and we do all of that here at Wade's RV. Plus, you're going to get a battery case to protect your battery and more items like that you're going to get free here at Wade's RV. Now, guys, I'm excited to show you throughout the entire show our prices compared to everyone else in the nation, and you get to take advantage of that right here at Wade's RV in Goldsby, and we're so excited. Are you excited to join the cornhole tournament?
I am very excited to join the cornhole tournament. I'm going to be out first round, but that's okay. Somebody come take my money.
So last year, Jared and myself, we took place in the cornhole tournament and we were absolutely dead last. So I hope this year that we will be able to kind of do a little bit better than that. But guys, we're having a fun time out here at Wade's RV, saving people a lot of money. As you can see, all of the free items when you purchase an RV, it's going to be propane, battery, a battery case, a starter kit. The starter kit is really essential because you need all of those things when you go RV camping, right? It's like, what all do you get in the starter kit?
So one of the biggest things to me in the starter kit that you're going to get is going to be that brass water pressure regulator to make sure that you don't blow out any of the plumbing on the inside. When you hook that hose up, if you don't have that pressure regulator, it's entirely possible that you're just going to blow out all your plumbing on the inside. So it's a small piece of that, but to me it's one of the biggest things that most people don't think about. But it's going to give you your sewer line, your water regulator, the special toilet paper, chemicals for your toilet, the non-toxic hose, everything that you'll need to leave here literally and go to the lake and get set up.
That's awesome. And don't forget, you also get that one-on-one RV training session here at Wade's RV. So when you do go to the lake for the very first time, you know exactly what to do, and you know your trip will be that much more memorable and easy. It's all about making memories with the family, and some of my favorite memories are out at the lake. They have some of the most beautiful fireworks shows and stuff like that. Do you have a favorite 4th of July camping memory?
One of the biggest ones I've got is I'm from Broken Bow originally, down in the southeast corner of the state. We went to Broken Bow Lake to watch the fireworks. They were setting off at the lake. Something happened, and every one of them went off at once.
Oh, man.
It was a horrible accident. Luckily, nobody got hurt, but it was the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life.
That sounds pretty awesome. Guys, you can expect to save a lot of money out here at Wade's RV for our 4th of July sale. I hope to see you out here for the cornhole game. We're going to feed people. We have the grill going on right now. All of that and more. Stay tuned. You can find us on I-35 exit 104, and don't forget to tell them Little Wade sent you. Back to you guys.